Hello, in front of me I've got Audi A3. In this video I'll show you how to find fuse box in engine compartment. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the engine compartment and pull these locks towards you. Now you can lift the whole cover, and here is the fuse box. To lock it, put it back on its place. And push those locks forward. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.